Hey there, Tundra fans and YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a bit since I posted something, but here we go. Got a little tough skin product to install on the Tundra. Hopefully you can see the product number. Gonna throw it in on the console space right there. See what happens. Cool little mod. Got it for cheap off of a website. So anyway, so there's the space it's gonna go. I got a towel. Figured I'd just clean it up a little bit. Some water. I'm gonna take the other side, dry it off. And I bought a little alcohol. Figured just to make sure it's nice and clean. Got some alcohol on the deal here. Let that sit for a little while and dry out. All right, it's nice and clean. Got the package here. Comes with a little plastic covering, so we'll get that taken off here. And then on the back, it's got covering over sticky. So figured that maybe pre-place it down there just to make sure. I like how it fits. Man, it fits nice and snug in there. I like that. Make sure it doesn't go the other way. Seems like it's interchangeable. Yeah. Keys won't rattle around. Phone's not going to rattle around when you throw stuff in there. It gets super annoying, but cool. All right, so we'll do that. Take that off. All right. Got the sticky part ready to go. Try to grab just the end of it. Get it placed down in there. You can see the ridges go inside the holes there, and middle out is a good way to keep putting the pressure down so it sticks nice and snug in there. So I want the truck noise. Just moved to Bend, so we got living in an apartment instead of the house for a while. Cool. Well, hey, that's a pretty sweet install. Nice little cheap mod. Tough Skin makes a lot of good stuff. They make stuff that goes in the cup holders. They can make some stuff that goes down in there, and even in armrest areas. So check them out. They're a cool little company. They make good stuff. A little cheap mod. Anyway, Squatch. Have a good rest of your day or evening, what you got going on, and hope you enjoyed the short little video for the modding of the TRD Pro. Man, these are great rigs. I hope if you have one, you really enjoy it. Even the other models, I know Tundras are really cool, but I enjoy the heck out of this Pro. If you see any other things you want done, or you want to send products or whatever for testing, hook me up, check out the channel, like, subscribe if you would. Something fun to do. Anyway, take care. Peace.